investing in low-income neighborhoods. Can it work? Let's see. Right now we in what some would consider the hood. This was a low-income neighborhood, right? And I actually started my wholesaling career in a low-income neighborhood, all right? I actually started my wholesaling career in a low-income neighborhood. So to answer your question, yes, you can wholesale and you can actually invest in the rentals in the low-income neighborhood. However, let's cover wholesaling first before we get into the rentals. You're looking for a particular type of cash buyer. You're looking for a landlord, okay? A landlord. And you will have to make sure your numbers work. And what I mean by numbers work, it's not going to be so much based off of after repair value. It's more based on return. So let's say they buy $50,000 house in a low income neighborhood, right? So they get it from you for 40 because you got it from 30. They get it from you for 40. You make your 10,000. They put another 10 into it. They're in 50, but it rents for 750, 800. The return has to be there for them. 1% returns in low income neighborhoods, people might, stay away from that. When I mean 1%, if they gotta pay 80 for something that's renting for $800, it probably won't make sense. But if they're all in 60 for something that rents for $800, now it makes more sense to them. And you as a wholesaler, you have to determine this, right? You have to determine what does it do for you right now. When I was wholesaling in low income neighborhoods, I would sell to the same few landlords, just the same few landlords that bought in those neighborhoods, okay? Looking back, those guys were genius because all that stuff quadrupled. You can still wholesale in the low income neighborhood. So you don't have to stay away from that, all right? As far as buying rental property, again, like I explained to the person who wants to wholesale, it's just based off the return. If you're getting a house for 40, right, that rents for $800, come on, bro, it's a no-brainer. You're getting a house for $50,000, that rents for $800. That's a great deal. $60,000, that's a great deal. So you're more focused on return. You're not focused on ARV. You're looking for a return on your money. You're looking for cash flow. You're looking for cash flow because either you're living off that cash flow or you're trying to leave your job. Me, I'm a guy that I don't settle for $200 per door type of cash flow. I don't do that. I know a lot of people teach that, but I don't do that. So I want, 300 to 400 per door. I bought a duplex in a low-income neighborhood. I'm probably cash flowing like $1,200 or something. But those type of deals that I look for, right? I look for $200, and I say $200 net. That's what I'm cash flowing. In short, make sure it's worth your time, okay? And when managing that asset, you need a property manager who understands that asset. If you're renting a property in a low-income neighborhood, you're not focused on credit score. You're not going to get somebody that has a 700, 750 credit score moving into a low-income neighborhood. You're more so focused on job stability and when their last eviction. Of course, if they have a felony that's older than 5 years, you can turn the other cheek. But you're looking for good, hardworking people, Sometimes good, hardworking people don't have a lot of money. That's what you're focused on, man. So don't overlook the hood. Don't overlook low-income neighborhoods. There's a lot of money to be made. Just to put it in perspective, Donald Trump's father actually made his fortune from investing in low-income neighborhoods, okay? Regardless of how you feel about the man, but that's how, the Trump legacy started, investing in low-income neighborhoods, guys. So, hey, do me a favor, man. Click on that video next to me. Comment below. Are you open to investing in low-income neighborhoods? Do you invest in low-income neighborhoods? You know what I mean? Does the hood scare you? Does it not scare you? How do you feel about it? All right? I'm Nasser, a.k.a. the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru, because I actually do this business. Peace.